Today, hiking the Lehigh Gap southwestward, hiking up from the Lehigh Gap Nature Center on the Woodpecker Trail, headed to the Appalachian Trail, then headed southwest to the towers and probably beyond. This is the way I came up from the east-northeast. I made it to where you have a spring. Of course, you got to filter or boil the water, but it's for spring heading west-southwest, and I'm only about not even a tenth of a mile from the shoulder. The first shoulder headed toward the south from the Lehigh Gap. And that's where I came from. And up there's where I'm headed. Just wanted to share the view from here. You see the turnpike. And actually starting to hear the turnpike from here. Hopefully there's better lookouts up top. This is my first time of hiking this section of the trail. Came across another beautiful lookout up near the top. Hopefully there's more like this that I can see the other side. I left the Appalachian Trail, went about 200 yards to the north so I could look out over the top of the mountain and by the towers. Just wanted to get a view up here. I'll have to figure out what trail this one is, but just wanted to get the view and share it. I found out this is the AT North Side Trail. So this here is like a split from the original Appalachian Trail, and you get better views from this side, and I was told to cross back over to the other side once you get past the towers. So I'm going to take this side for now. Awesome views from here. Low humidity, you can see pretty far. And there's the trail, just came that way. I'm going to be headed that way. Came upon another really good overlook, which you can actually see pretty far, quite well. And it's just right in front of the towers. Back on the original Appalachian Trail from the North Scenic Trail. I'm going to continue southward on the Appalachian Trail for a bit. Difficult getting to this section of the trail, but this part of the trail so far for like the last half mile or so has been beautiful. It's level, well maintained, well marked, easy walking. starting the descent down towards the Appalachian Trail again. This is one of the popular shelters along the trail. Many hikers have stayed in this. Get to this shortly before you get to the Lehigh River Gap.